Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Tinder application on your phone. So, in order to download Tinder application on your Android device, first open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Tinder and make your search. You're going to see the Tinder application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on the install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on the open button to launch the application. Open the application and this is how you'll be able to download a Tinder application on your Android phone. Log into Tinder with Google account or Facebook account, or you can also log in using your phone number. This is how you'll be able to download the Tinder application quickly and easily. How you can sign up to your Tinder account. Firstly, open up the Tinder application on your device. Once you open up, you will see three options on your screen. Choose one of the option. If you want to use your Google account to create your Tinder account, then tap on the very first button, that is Login with Google. And if you want to use your Facebook account, then tap on the second button that says Login with Facebook. But if you want to use your phone number for logging in, then tap on the last option that says Login with your phone number. Enter your phone number and then tap on Continue button. Once you tap on Continue button, it will send you a verification code on your device. Now, type in that code and click on Continue button. On the next page, it will ask you for your email to verify it so that you don't lose access to your account. Enter your email and click on Continue, or you can simply click on Sign in with Google. Click on I agree on the next page. Type in your first name that will appear on Tinder and click on Continue. Enter your date of birth and then press Continue. After that, on the next page, choose your gender and move on to the next page by clicking on Continue and select your sexual orientation. Then, to continue the steps, choose the one you want to see in your Tinder profile, either it's men, women, or everyone, and click on Continue. It will then ask you which of the following option you are looking for. Select the one and click on Continue. Enter your university name, choose your interest and tap on Continue. Add two of your photos, either it's from gallery or click it from the camera and tap on Continue. Enable your location on the next page, and this is how you can sign up for your Tinder account.
How to sign up for Tinder account. Tinder is an American geosocial networking and online dating application that allows users to anonymously swipe to like or dislike others' profiles based on their photos, a small bio, and common interests. To sign up for Tinder, go to your web browser and type in tinder.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard and click on Create Account from the official website of Tinder. You can create an account with your Google, with your Facebook, and with your phone number. Choose any options you like and click on it. On the next page, you'll need to choose the country code and type in your phone number. Once you are done, click Continue. A code will be sent to the number you just entered. Wait for it to arrive and type in the code. Once you're done, click Continue and click on I agree. Enter your first name and then choose your gender. You can choose to show your gender on your profile by clicking on the box. If not, just leave it, and your email address has already been typed in. You can upload a photo from your computer by clicking on it and upload it from your library. Choose your birthday information, and in the optional section you can add your passion if you want. Since it's an optional, you can skip it. Add your sexual orientation, click Continue, and after you are done filling out your information, click on Continue. For a verification, click on Verify and solve the puzzle. Touch the animal that is correct way up. After you're done selecting all of it, you will be verified. To allow Tinder to use your location, click on Allow. And that is it. You have signed up to Tinder.
How you can get logged into your Tinder account. Firstly, open up your Tinder application on your device. Once you open up your Tinder application, you will see three options on the screen. Choose one of the options. If you want to open your Tinder application with the help of Google, then tap on the very first button, that is Login with Google. And if you want to use your Facebook account, then tap on the second button which says Login with Facebook. But if you want to use your phone number for logging in, then tap on the last option that says Login with your phone number. Enter your phone number and then tap on Continue button. Once you tap on Continue button, it will send you a verification code on your device. Now, type in that code and click on Continue button once again. Once you're done, you'll be logged into your Tinder account.
How to log into Tinder with your Facebook account. In order to log into Tinder with your Facebook account, first, make sure you've downloaded Tinder application on your device. Once you've got the app, tap it open. From the very first interface of Tinder, you'll be able to see various options displayed from where you can log into your Tinder account. In order to log into Tinder with your Facebook, tap on Login with Facebook. And as soon as you do that, you'll need to allow Tinder for receiving the following information. Tap on Continue in order to do that. After a few seconds, you'll be logged into your Tinder account. In order to log into Tinder with your Facebook, make sure you're signed into your Facebook first. And then you can simply tap on Continue with Facebook and you are good to go.
How we can change Tinder account's password. Now, to change your Tinder account's password, firstly open the application. You can see that we are on the home page of Tinder application. Let's click on the human icon. Tap on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. As we have used phone number during the sign up process, we will only need to change our phone number in order to change our password. Choose any of your phone number that you have access to and press on Continue. Once you tap on Continue, it will send you a verification code on your device. Type in the code and click on Continue button. This is how you can change your Tinder account's password easily and quickly. How you can change your Tinder location. Now, to change your Tinder location, firstly open your Play Store. Type in Kiwi browser and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Download the application and open it. You will arrive on the home page of Kiwi browser. On the search box, search for tinder.com. The home page of Tinder will be displayed on the screen. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Extensions. On the next page, among the other options, click on the From Store option. Zoom in to the left side and on the search box type in Location Guard. The search results will be shown on the screen. Click on the first application. Now go back to the Tinder's tab and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Location Guard located at the end. On the next page, click on an option and then choose the defaulted level to use fixed location and privacy level to high. Choose the location you want to, go back to Tinder, log in and you will see the persons from your changed location, that is Canada, Toronto. This is how you can change a Tinder location quickly and easily just in few steps. How to recover or reset your Tinder account's password. So, to reset your Tinder account's password, open up your Tinder application or simply go and open up a web browser and type in tinder.com and search. As soon as you open the website, click on the login button at the bottom of the page. Enter your email address associated with your Tinder account and tap on Send Email. You will then receive an email from your Tinder account, which will help you with the instructions on resetting your password. Open your email that you have received and tap on the login link, which will automatically reset your password. If you want to reset your password from an application, simply open an application and click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen where you will see your phone number displayed on the screen. Click on Update My Phone Number and enter a new phone number that you have an access to. Click on Continue and wait for the code to arrive on your phone number. After you receive a code, enter it and tap on Continue. This is how you can reset your password on Tinder. How you can apply your promo code on your Tinder application. To apply your Tinder promo code, firstly open your Google search. Type in tinder.com and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link displayed on the screen. It will take you to the official page of Tinder. Now scroll all the way down to the FAQ section. Tap on promo code option under the FAQ section. Enter your promo code for Tinder and then click on Submit. By clicking on Submit, you will agree to Tinder's terms and conditions. This is how you can apply Tinder promo code quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can block someone on your Tinder application. To block someone on Tinder, firstly open your Tinder application. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, click on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down to Block Contact section. Click on it. On the next page, click on Continue. Search for a name or contact you want to block. Click on the contact and tap on Block Contact. If you want to unblock the contact, click on the Block Contacts once again. On the next page, click on Blocked option right next to the contacts. The contact or a person you have blocked will appear on the screen. Click on Unblock. It will then unblock the person you have blocked before. This is how you can block or unblock someone on your Tinder application quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can hide your profile on your Tinder application. To hide your profile on Tinder, firstly open your Tinder application. The home page of Tinder application will appear on the screen. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down to enable Discovery section and turn it off by swiping it to the left. Tap on Disable Discovery. This is how you can hide your profile on Tinder application quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can write bio on your Tinder account. To write bio on your Tinder, firstly open your Tinder application. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the edit icon on your profile picture. Scroll down to About Me section. Here you can write what you want to. It has writing limits to about 500 words. Here you can write about your bio what you want to. This is how you can write your bio on your Tinder account quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can delete your Tinder message. Watch the video till the end. To delete your Tinder message, firstly open your Tinder application. The home page of Tinder will appear on the screen. Tap on the message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see the chat list over here. Choose and tap the message you want to delete. Here I'm going to type in a text and then long press on it. You can see that there is no delete option. Now, all you need to do is for deleting a Tinder message, you need to unmatch the person. So, click on the blue mark at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Unmatch from the person. A message will pop up on the screen to confirm whether you want to unmatch or not. Click on Yes, Unmatch. After that, your message will be deleted automatically. This is how you can delete a Tinder message quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can log out of your Tinder application. To log out of your Tinder, firstly open your Tinder application. You will arrive on the home page of Tinder application where you can like or dislike someone by swiping to left or right. To log out of your Tinder account, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll all the way down to the end. There you can see logout option. Click on it. This is how you can log out of your Tinder account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.